Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Honda CRF100F. Green sticker 4-stroke trail bike. Bike's in fantastic condition. Come by, make your dirt bike dreams come true. This awesome 2006 CRF100F. Just ran through the shop. She checks out beautifully. Only $21.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Just like a Honda, runs perfect. First kick. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports. Here comes Rob down the backside. I'm gonna give you a little bonus footage.